everybody, and welcome to Selwyn Tech Topics. This is the 5th video in the photo organization playlist. Today we're going to take a look at creating subfolders. So similar to a filing cabinet, you can have drawers, and in those drawers, folders, and you can have folders within folders. So let's take a look at how to do that on a computer. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to click on the File Explorer icon. And from here, we're going to use this navigation column on the left and click on Pictures. Here's where we're going to take a look at creating subfolders. So folders within folders. I'm going to use the folders that have pictures from tablets or an iPad as an example. So if you've watched the transferring videos from that playlist, there's some reference to working with these pictures. So to begin, open up the main folder you want to work with. So I'm going to use our tablet photos, for example. So double click to open that folder. And in here, I have two subfolders already, one named Camera and one named Screenshots. I can now double click to open up either of these folders. So if I double click on Camera, I'm now in that folder. There are no subfolders within it, simply individual images. Now, before we go any further, I want to highlight this navigation kind of address bar at the top here. Paying attention to this is critical to keeping your place and understanding where you are within your pictures, and will help in terms of organizing and creating your subfolders. So it's the path we've taken. We navigated to pictures, then we opened tablet photos, and then we opened Camera. That's the folder we're currently in. That's what we're seeing down below here. Know that you can also click on any of the names in this address bar up here. So if I click on tablet photos, that will take me back to the tablet photos folder. And now I am seeing what's inside it. So just kind of play around with that to get familiar with, first of all, remembering that this is up here and using it as reference to where you are, where you've navigated to. So another example would be, so I'm in here in Pictures. If I click on the folder called Heidi, I have quite a few subfolders in here, this time arranged by date. So if I click on a folder to open it, so now I'm in an August 2019 folder, and again you can see there are no more subfolders, simply loose pictures. So that's a little bit about navigation in here. So let's go back to our tablet photos. This is what we're going to use for our example today. So in here, I'm going to open up the Camera folder. And here's where I've decided I want to create another subfolder. So to organize these pictures one step further. Now that I'm here, I'm going to click on New Folder. A new folder will appear, and you'll see the name highlighted in blue. Soon as I start to type this folder's name, it will automatically appear there as the name. So I'm going to call this folder Art Display. Once I've done typing, I click Enter on the keyboard, and that has created that folder. Let me see what other pictures I have in here. I have some sunsets. So maybe I want to put those pictures into a subfolder. Click on New Folder. Give that folder a name. And hit Enter on the keyboard. So there, I've now created 2 subfolders within the camera folder. Now I need to move pictures into these folders. There are a number of ways to do that. We only have a few pictures to move over, so I'm going to use the drag and drop method. So here's the first picture I want to move. I'm going to do a left click and hold. Don't let go of that left click, and drag your mouse. You'll see the picture going along with your mouse. And there's my final destination. I want to move it to the art display folder. Once there, let go of your mouse, and the picture will automatically be moved into that folder. Let's do that again. Left click and hold, drag, and let go to drop it. Left click and hold, drag to destination, let go of the mouse to drop it in there. Okay, so we could do the same with our sunsets then. Left click and hold, drag and drop. Left click and hold, drag and drop. So that now has moved some of my pictures into these subcategories. So again, if we take a look at the navigation, wherever we've gone to get here, the path we've taken. So again, if we start out in our pictures, so this is where we started with all of our pictures. We then navigated to the tablet photos. So pictures we've moved over from a tablet, then to the camera folder. And then I have my art display folder. So if I double click to open it, there's pictures specific to the art display. Click on camera. And then if I double click on my sunset folder, I've got pictures specific to sunsets. So that's just one way you can create subfolders and organize your pictures one step further. Good luck!